All right, this just landed, 2024 Toyota Sienna. This is a brand new 2024 Toyota Sienna XLE hybrid, Braunability XT side entry handicap wheelchair conversion. It is extra tall with the power side entry fold out ramp. This is a brand new van. It has roughly 10 miles on it. I will give you the full walk around. This is the best deal you're gonna find anywhere. $10,000 off MSRP right now. So you could buy a brand new van for the price of a used one. It's brand new. It's got the lighted wayfinder, lighted runway, gorgeous gray leather sunroof, fully loaded out XLE. MSRP on this van is roughly $89,000. We can sell this right now for $10,000 off. It's got 9.5 miles on it. It's brand new. All full warranties in full effect. This is brand new. We have an incentive right now where we can sell this thing for $10,000 off MSRP. Well, give us a call, 954-561-2499. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. This is beautiful midnight black metallic with gray leather interior. I love this color combination. This is an XLE loaded out. Comes fully loaded, 2 keys, all your Q-straight tie downs. Again, this is a 2024 brand new power lift gate. You got all your Q-string tie downs, your extra seat belt. Everything comes with this van just as it was new, because it is new. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. We accept any type of trade-ins. We have great financing. We are a Braunability authorized service center and dealer. We are a factory store, so feel free to reach out to us anytime. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We are 48 years in business. Give us a like, give us a follow. Brand new van, not much to say. Beautiful midnight black metallic Toyota Sienna. Loaded out, full power, sunroof, big screen. Again, 9.5 miles. It is an extra tall lowered floor. It's come with 2 keys, of course. I already said it. It's the way to go. It's the best van you can get right here. Gorgeous, brand new, $10,000 off MSRP. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. We're in Boca Raton, Florida, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. I believe this van's going to sell very quickly. As you can see, there's not much to say about it. It's gorgeous, it's brand new. $88,190. So we can sell this for $10,000 off MSRP right now. $78,190. Feel free to reach out to us. Happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken, 954-561-2499. We accept any type of trade-in, and we can ship to anywhere in the United States. We will price match guarantee any Braunability dealer in the USA on any Braunability brand new. Give us a call, we'll match it and we'll beat it. So if you got a quote from another dealer that's better than ours, we will beat it. So just let us know. We are happy to help. We can do any hand controls, easy locks, Q straints, Q locks, any adaptive controls you need inside the van. We can install them if you need them. We are NAMITA certified. We can take care of any seating options, transfer seats. Just let us know how we can help. We are more than happy to help. If you have a trade-in, feel free to reach out to us. We're more than fair with trade-ins. Usually beat everybody's price on those as well. So we are 48 years in business, and we only have 5-star reviews. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken, Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Thank you.